Ayan, meron din kaming tahong. Konti lang binili ko, 1 pound lang. Kasi dapat gawin kong soup, pero bahala na. Baka soup pa rin. Today ay magluluto ako ng pasta. My version of mussel pasta. May konti ako mussels. This is just 1 pound. From the grocery store, I have spaghetti al dente. I have red bell pepper. May butter na to na. I put butter here. I don't have olive oil. So this is garlic and onion. And I have water, or the water from where I boiled the pasta. Very easy. Ano ba to? Okay, so let's start with the garlic and onion together. I check my pantry if I have olive oil. I was supposed to make creamy mussel soup, but I changed my mind because husband doesn't like those kind of soup. I mean, he's not a fan of it. He can eat only a little, but just to taste it. So this one, I don't know if he will eat this. Okay, so let's put the mussel. Just my version, ha. I will add salt. And pepper. Let's add some water from the pasta that I cooked. From where I cooked the pasta, I mean. I'd like to add at least 1 teaspoonful of tomato paste just for color. You can add cream if you want, but again, I don't have cream in the fridge. We just want the mussels to open like this. You can cover it so it will easily open. Let's add the bell pepper. If you have chili flakes, you can add chili flakes. Not sure if I have them here. Wala. Okay. Okay, so now I can add the pasta. I still have a few shells that are unopened. Pero parang 2 pieces lang. So I can add this. Let's not overcook the mussels. Don't forget to season, to taste whatever you like to add. Uy! Yan. Yan na nga ba sinasabi ko, itong stand, ay itong cellphone ko bumabaksak. Kasi yung stand, I mean yung, hindi siya kaya nung ano, okay, I'll turn this off because there's still heat in the pan. You can remove the mussels if you want, so it will not be overcooked. Taste ko lang. Hindi ako mahilig masyado sa ganito kasi mas gusto ko yung creamy. Pero paminsan-minsan, kumakain naman ako nito. Oh, naman. I will just add cheese para medyo creamy. But it depends if you want cheese. Let's add more garlic. Crispy garlic for taste. Yeah. So, this is it. Okay, so this is my version of pasta with mussels, garlic, sweet pepper, onion, tomato paste. Yan. If you have parsley, chopped parsley, then just add it here. Okay? Yan. Mas magandang araw ngayon. Pero malamig pa rin. May itim-itim pa yung clouds. So, kasi sabi ulan pa rin. Pero kahapon, di ba, grabe ang ulan. Ulan at sobrang lamig. Pero ngayon malamig pa rin. Ayan ang lakas ng ginawa ko. Tinitingnan ko yun eh. Either may maglilipat o may aalis. Pero mas maganda na ngayon. Pwede nang mag-ano-ano. Yeah, today is July 2. Hindi pa ganong okay yung pakiramdam ko. Pero better than the last 2 days. So, yung baon ni husband, hindi nga kami nakalabas kahapon. July 1 is Canada Day. Ayan. So, ito lang yung hinanda ko para sa baon niya. Ayan. Pag wala akong maluto, hindi ako makaluto. Ayan. Kaya meron kaming paisa-isa o 2 lata ng Spam. So, ito yon, may rice na siya. Nagawa na lang ako nito. Yung greens and mangga. Tapos, lalagyan ko lang ng dressing para naman hindi nakakasawa yung kanyang bakon. Yan, ng aking vegetable. Pwede pa yan. So, this is another day. We decided to eat in a Japanese restaurant. This is in Kinjo. The food is delicious and also cheap. Tapos they have a small shop there. May mga Japanese goods that are also cheap. Chicken is just 175 yata per piece. And we got just the ramen, the small one. Ayan yung mga nila o food. Ay, yung mga tinda sa shops. before I end this video, I just want to show you the video I got or I took the other day showing northern lights in our place. I took this one from our balcony sa 4th floor. It's not very clear, but you can see that there's a change in color in the clouds. Yan. Nice, diba? So, I hope kahit paano nakita nyo. Thank you for watching. Bye!